Imagine you're a manufacturing leader with dozens of industrial assets spread across your factory floor. Connecting those machines to the cloud for analytics, monitoring, and predictive maintenance often means hours of manual configuration and custom integration work. Today, we'll show how Microsoft and Litmus remove that complexity with automated asset discovery and secure data flows powered by Azure IoT Operations. Azure IoT Operations connects to Litmus Edge via the Litmus Akri Connector. The system discovers devices, maps schemas, and creates cloud objects. No custom pipelines needed. The result is a unified experience across Edge and cloud, forming a strong foundation for Industry 5.0 where OT and IT teams work together with AI in the loop. Here is the end-to-end architecture. Litmus Edge connects to PLCs and sensors, manages configuration, and collects high-quality industrial data. The Litmus Akri Connector passes metadata and schemas to Azure IoT Operations, while MQTT streams telemetry into Azure services like Microsoft Fabric and OneLake for analytics and governance. With Azure Arc, customers have one management layer across cloud and edge, enabling teams to scale this design across many sites. Now that we've seen the architecture, let's move into the actual experience. We will discover devices, generate their schema, and watch Azure IoT Operations automatically build the cloud asset. We begin with a quick walkthrough of setting up a new device in Azure IoT Operations. Starting from the main overview dashboard, you can see a summary of all resources at a glance. From here, we move into the Devices section to create a new device. Selecting Create Device opens a simple form where we enter the device name and choose an inbound endpoint. In this case, we're using a Litmus Edge inbound endpoint. After selecting it, we add a few custom properties and click Save. The device is now created. Before we move on, this is a good moment to note that what comes next is where the system really demonstrates its value. As soon as the device is set up, Azure IoT Operations and the Litmus Akri Connector begin identifying additional components automatically, a capability we'll see shortly when we onboard the data plane and explore discovered assets. Next, we onboard the Litmus Edge data plane. This ensures that our edge devices can communicate seamlessly with Azure IoT Operations. We navigate to discovered devices and import the Litmus data plane. It's a straightforward step that links the edge environment to Azure IoT Operations. To import a discovered asset, we open the Discovery section, where the platform automatically lists assets detected from the plant. From this list, we select the asset we want, review its properties, assign a clear name and description, and click Create. Within moments, the asset appears in our asset list, now fully on board and ready for data flow. This is also where the broader purpose becomes clearer. Once an asset is created, we can begin building data flows that turn raw telemetry into usable insights across the factory floor and the cloud. To build a data flow, we go to the Data Flow section and select Create New. Then, we name the data flow, choose the asset we just created as the source, and select the destination endpoint. In this example, we're sending the data to a Microsoft Fabric endpoint. If needed, this is also the point where edge-level data transformations could be applied, filtering, enriching, or shaping the data before it moves upstream. But for this demo, we'll keep the flow simple and pass the raw values through. To view real-time data published from Litmus Edge into Microsoft Fabric, we navigate to our Microsoft Fabric instance and query the Event House table. Here we can see the raw telemetry exactly as it arrives from the plant, time-stamped, structured, and ready for analytics. Browsing this table helps validate that the flow is working end-to-end before building any dashboards. Using this live asset data, we can easily build dashboards such as OEE or other operational KPIs. Finally, to create a new visualization tile within Microsoft Fabric, we open the Tile Creation tool and give the tile a name. Copilot can help write the query for any visualization we need. Once applied, the chart appears on the dashboard, making it simple to monitor live industrial data at a glance. To summarize, this integration delivers speed, accuracy, and scalability. It reduces onboarding time from hours to minutes, eliminates manual configuration errors, and enables real-time insights for predictive maintenance and operational efficiency. This is how Microsoft and Litmus accelerate your journey to smart manufacturing. To learn more, visit our marketplace listing or reach out to our team for a deeper technical dive.